So what's actually on a circularly polarized luminescent spectrophotometer? Not a whole lot, actually. Optically, it can be quite simple. Electronically and software-wise, there's a lot more sophistication going on. But fundamentally, this is a tiny little 3D mock-up of the one commercial unit that's available that has a sample compartment housing the photoelastic modulator and polarizer and/or the quarter wave plate polarizer option, ports for your excitation light coming in, often an LED, possibly a laser, and then an emission scanning monochromator here with an associated detector. So from an optical perspective, this is literally all that this instrument is. Obviously a good bit larger, but still a very petite spectrophotometer in the scheme of things. Now, taking this very same idea, we have here a model which has two emission channels. And notice how different the detectors are. Here we have a simple photon counting detector for the UV visible region. Here we have a much more magnificent looking detector chamber for a near infrared one. So this model shares one sample compartment with a visible scanning emission channel and a near infrared emission channel. And again, same sample compartment is used with either. You can excite from one side, you can excite from both sides, or either side as you choose. So both of these models are for circularly polarized luminescence only. Taking the idea of using this hardware, though, it's also possible to fit it to a larger system, which not only offers circularly polarized luminescence, but also circular dichroism. So notice this model has the same large sample compartment, and as it happens, it's this size so that one can rotate the photoelastic modulator either before the sample for circular dichroism or after the sample to polarize and modulate the emission by the sample, i.e. the CPL. So this apparatus, this particular design, has a xenon arc lamp going into a double monochromator into the sample compartment. The detector would be right here for straight through CD, or over here for circularly polarized luminescence. And again, the option of using a light source here for exciting your CPL. A fourth model, again, using the same basic tool, sample compartment and emission chamber here. This configuration is a much larger prism grading monochromator for doing not only UV visible circular dichroism, but also near infrared CD. So this one can go out to either 1700 nanometers or even 2500 nanometers. Again, sharing a single sample compartment, so straight through measurement for CD, or right angle with the detector here for circularly polarized luminescence. So if you would like to learn more about any of these configurations, the software that's behind the correct data collection and separation of CPL from LPL, as well as data processing and so much more, be in touch. Thank you.